Hello, body fangs, talk to the push. Guys, have you ever found yourself in some sort of a situation or the other where something like a machine breaks? Yeah, and you can't just find Tom, Dick or Harry or Gertie to come and fix it. You need a professional. So what do? You get hold of the telephone directory, the yellow pages, and you search. All of a sudden, you get to a name that sounds very fancy and it says, Don Juan de Macro. Yeah, he's gonna sort out the problem. 10 minutes later, he's knocking against the door. He open up the door, daar staan hierdie mannetjie. He's so skinny when he stands sideways, he looks like a crack by the wall over there. Maar hy's fancy, maat. Ooghaartjies is gepluk, he's combed back there with brill cream, and he knows every situation that could possibly go wrong with that machine of yours. Ja, hy praat so baie, my maat. Sometimes you just need to take one step back, take a deep breath, look him and smack him amongst the bloody eyes there. What you? Yeah. And then he starts talking about this machine over here. He's like gibberish. You can't understand what the bloody hell he's saying. Yeah. Well, when it comes to your air compressors and your generators, there's only one company that you should phone, and that's Debonair. These guys are bloody amazing. 24/7 service, nationwide, and they got branches in Johannesburg, Durban, and Cape Town. Let them come around and assess, give you some advice here. Maybe replace that old generator that came out when the bow and arrow was still a secret weapon. Yeah. Check them out. Debonair compressors. Okay, thanks.